Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. So I'm looking at these two grills, the Weber Spirit E-310 and the Nexgrill 3-burner stainless steel 1, both propane, both 3-burner. Where do we start?
Okay, well, the first thing that jumps out is the price. The Nexgrill is listed at $329, while the Weber is $449.99. That's a pretty significant difference right off the bat.
Yeah, that's a definite plus for the Nexgrill. But what about cooking space? I like to grill for a crowd sometimes.
Good point. The Nexgrill boasts a larger cooking area, around 591 square inches, including the warming rack. The Weber Spirit, on the other hand, offers 360 square inches of primary cooking space, so Nexgrill wins on size.
Okay, good to know. What about power? Are we talking major BTU differences?
The Nexgrill has 40,500 BTUs total. I can't find the total BTU for the Weber, but I can see that each burner has 19,000 BTU. So the Weber will heat up much faster and get hotter overall.
So the Weber might be better for searing then? But what about build quality? I've heard Weber is usually pretty solid.
Yeah, Weber has a reputation for that. Their Spirit E-310 uses porcelain-enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum cookbox. The Nexgrill also uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates, but the description focuses more on the, quote, stainless steel frame and firebox for durability. Weber also has a 10-year warranty, which is a good indicator of their confidence.
All right, warranty is key. What about features? Anything stand out?
The Nexgrill has foldable side shelves, which is nice for storage. It also has electric one-button ignition. The Weber has the Weber Work System, which means you can snap on accessories. It also has flavorizer bars.
Flavorizer bars?
Yeah, they vaporize drippings to add more flavor to the food. The Weber's grease management system also sounds a little more refined, with a removable grease tray. Both have tool hooks and a cabinet, but the Weber's cabinet hides the propane tank.
So overall, the Nexgrill is cheaper and has more cooking space, but the Weber seems to have better build quality, potentially better heat, and some more advanced features?
Exactly. It really comes down to your priorities and budget. If you need a lot of space and want to save money, the Nexgrill is a good option. But if you value durability and those extra features, the Weber might be worth the investment.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.